Hello, in this video I will show you how to make these elegant scarf hair ties at home. For this you need these materials. First, cut a fabric piece about 12 cm wide and 65 cm long. You can adjust the length depending on how long you want the tails to be. Now fold the fabric lengthwise. Now mark the ends like this to give them a pointed shape. Now sew this strip as it is marked on this strip, leaving a gap in the middle so we can flip this right side out. To keep the ends pointed, you have to trim the extra fabric on the edges. Doing so, make sure you do not cut the seams. Now you have to flip the fabric right side out. For that, first we will flip the one side of the strip, and then you will do the same on the other side of the strip. Now iron the strip. Then sew the opening in the middle of it. Now grab a basic hair tie and wrap the tail around it, tying a simple knot. Your stylish hair tie is ready. You can style it with a ponytail or a bun. Try it out and let me know how it turns out in the comments.